The Nothing Phone 3 doesn't scream for attention. It glows, quietly, boldly, and maybe more meaningfully than any other phone this year. At $799, it's taking on the Galaxy S25 and iPhone 16. But not by copying them, by challenging them. Because this might just be the one phone that reminds us why tech can still feel exciting. And before we dive in, a huge thank you to each and every one of you. We just crossed 10,000 subscribers, and it honestly means the world to me. Your support, your comments, and your love keep this channel going. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Now let's get into it. Design, transparent but different. Nothing's design language stays true to its roots. That transparent back, bold edges, and signature futuristic glow. But look closer, and you'll notice it's not perfect. The camera alignment feels a bit awkward. The new coil design looks slightly off. And Gorilla Glass 7 isn't exactly flagship grade. Still, it's sleek. You get IP68 water resistance, an aluminum frame, and that new recording indicator light. A small touch that makes the phone feel alive and thoughtful. The Glyph Matrix. Now, this is where things really change. The Glyph Matrix. Gone are the old light bars. Now, there are 489 tiny LEDs forming mini animations. Clocks, notifications, even small games. Some people call it a gimmick. Others say it's a glimpse into the future. And honestly, this might just be Nothing's smartest move yet. Because this new Glyph setup isn't just for looks. It's designed for updates. Imagine live widgets, caller ID animations, or music visuals lighting up the back of your phone. It's not fully there yet, but it's the kind of idea that could change how we interact with our phones. Power and performance. Under the hood, the Phone 3 runs on the Snapdragon 8th Gen 4. It's fast, efficient, and handles everything with ease. Even if it's not the top-tier chip, everyday use feels buttery smooth. No lag, no stutter. The LTPS AMOLED display is bright and sharp. Though it's not LTPO, so battery efficiency takes a slight hit. But that's balanced by a massive 5,150 mAh battery and 65W fast charging. You'll easily last a full day, maybe more. And yes, the dual speakers sound clean, balanced, and loud enough for most users. Software. Nothing OS 3.5 keeps things minimal, fast, and clutter-free. No bloatware, no distractions. Just smooth Android with a unique Nothing twist. You get Essential Space to help you focus. And Essential Search, powered by Gemini AI, for smarter app navigation. Plus, with 5 years of Android updates and 7 years of security patches, Nothing's finally matching the big brands and long-term support. Cameras. Every lens on this phone, front and back, is 50 megapixels. Main, ultra-wide telephoto, no cheap sensors, no marketing fluff. Photos are clean, natural, and sharper than before. That telephoto lens even doubles as a macro, which is actually useful. Low-light shots look great. Videos are stable. And while Samsung and Apple still lead slightly in processing, Nothing's catching up fast. Final thoughts. The charm of imperfection. So what's the takeaway? The Nothing Phone 3 isn't perfect. It's bold, quirky, and a little rough around the edges. But that's exactly what makes it special. It's the kind of phone that dares to be different. A phone that brings fun back to tech. Because in a world full of safe, predictable flagships, maybe a little imperfection is exactly what we need. At $799, it's not the fastest or the flashiest, but it's easily one of the most interesting phones you could buy right now. And if Nothing keeps improving like this, the Phone 4 could be the moment. It truly changes the game.